In this video I am going to show you 5 amazing effects to try in CapCut. 1. Fake camera movement. So I will be using this video for this tutorial, so add it to the timeline. Then increase the scale a bit to zoom into the video. Now go to the preview area and move your footage to the right, because I want my camera movement to move from the left to the right. Then add your first keyframe under transform. Then move the playhead to where you want the animation to stop. Then move the video to the right, and this will create the fake camera movement. So as you can see, our movement is very slow due to the distance between our keyframes. So if you want to make your animation faster, just move your keyframes close to each other. So this is how to create this incredible fake camera movement. So let's move to the next tutorial. 2. Object outside frame. So this is the video I will be using for this tutorial. So I will just add it to the timeline. Then I will trim the part I don't need off. So now we have to make a duplicate of our footage. So copy and paste, then place it on top of the main footage. Then remove the background of the duplicated footage. So go to remove background under the video tab, then select auto removal. So wait for a while for CapCut to remove the background for you. And it depends on the quality and the duration of the footage you are using. So our background has been removed, and if we hide our main footage on the main layer, you will just see that the background has been removed. So now it's time to make our black bar opening, and I will be using mask and keyframe to create the animation. So select your main footage, then go to mask and select mirror mask, and you can see our black bars are created and behind our object. So open up your mask till the black bars disappear. Then click on this icon to add your first keyframe. Now move our playhead to where you want the animation to stop, then close up the mask to create the black bar opening animation. So this is how to create this amazing object outside frame effect in CapCut. So you can try different things like cars and even buildings. So let's move to the next tutorial. 3. Blur background. So I will be using this video for this tutorial, so I will add it to the timeline. Now make a duplicate of the footage. So hold the Alt key and drag and drop to create the duplicate. So now select your duplicated clip, then remove the background. So go to remove background and select auto removal. Now wait for the background to be removed. Now it's time to add our blur effect. So go to effects, search for blur and place it in between your two footages. Extend your blur effect to match the duration of the footages. Now use the slider to decrease or increase the intensity of the blur effect. So I will set mine at 20. So this is how you can blur the background of your footages in CapCut. 4. Double exposure. So I have imported all the footage to the media panel. So I will first add the face footage to the timeline. Then I will trim this part of. Now move your footage to the overlay layer. Then go to stock materials and import a white video background to the timeline. So our white background is just 5 seconds long. So we will click on freeze. Then we will delete all the videos except our freeze frame. And now you can extend it to any duration that you want. So now let's remove the background of our footage. So go to remove background and select auto removal. Then wait for a while for the background to be removed. So now let's add some adjustment to the footage. So go to adjustment. And adjust the saturation and exposure. Just make your footage a bit darker. Now let's add our next footage to the timeline. Then resize and place it at where you want. Then let's add our next footage to the timeline. Then resize it and place it at where you want. So you can add as many videos as you want. So now let's blend our footages all together. So go to basic and scroll to blend. Click on the drop down menu. Then select screen. So do same for the other footage. So go to blend and select screen. Now select your face footage and add some adjustment to make you other footages to be a lot more visible. So go to adjustment. So just play around with it until you get one suits your footage. So let's preview our video. So as you can see, there is a sharp line between the two footages and I want to blend them together. Select one footage and go to adjustment. Then adjust your footage a bit to match the other footage. Then when you are done, go to mask. Select horizontal mask and add some feathering to it. So as you can see, the line is still there, so we have to do same for the other footage. So select it, go to mask and choose horizontal mask. Then add some feathering to it. So as you can see now, our footages has been blended together. So now you can adjust your footages to how you want it to be. So now I will highlight all the footages, then trim them to have the same duration. So this is how to create this amazing double exposure effect in CapCut. 5. Split screen. So I will be using this footages for this tutorial, so first add your first footages to the timeline. Now go to Mask under the Video tab. Then select Mirror Mask. So you can make your split screens, vertical, horizontal and even diagonal. But I will be making a horizontal split screen in this tutorial. Now position your mask at where you want everyone to see. Then go to Basic and position it at where you want. So I will place mine in the middle. Now import your other footages, so you can add as many as you want. So select one footage, go to Mask, select Horizontal Mask, then position your mask where you want. So for this one I will place it on top. Now do same for the last footage. So as you can see my aspect ratio is small, so I will change it to a bigger one. Then now all you need to do is to adjust your footages, and always make sure you leave a little space between them. So now let's add some animation to the footage. So go to Animation, then under in Animation you can add any animation that you want. So I used slide down for the first video, then slide right for the middle video, and slide up for the bottom video. So now I am going to show you how you can change the black lines between them. So go to Video, then under Basic scroll down to Canvas. Click on the drop-down menu, then select Color. So you can use any color that you want. You can also go to Blur, and use the blur option CapCut will provide for you. And also if you want to use a color in any of the footages you used, then click on this colors here. Then come and click on the color picker tool. Then use it to select the color in the footage that you want to use. So this is how to create this amazing split screen effect in CapCut. So if you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you love this video, subscribe, like and share our videos. See you in the next video.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be